Okay, Commodore version 2. This is what a little bit of elbow grease does. You saw it before on the other video. A little bit of elbow grease. Moved it out from its little hole in the corner up there. As you can see, apart from the bumper, that little bit there, which you saw on the other film, and the fact that it's missing this side skirt, there's a small dent, tiny little dent right there. The windows need a clean, they're a little bit foggy. But as you can see, it is running. I've put the tyres back on it. Tyres are back on it. The tread on the tyres is about 80 to 90%. The bonnet scoop, I have the bonnet scoop. It's inside, there's nothing wrong with it, it was just taken off. The spoiler on the boot, that was also just taken off. That's where it used to be. It's been filled in with metal filler. It can of course be drilled back out, and the spoiler can be put back on. But there you are. I gave the steering wheel, gear knob and bits and pieces a little bit of a clean, just to there's a little bit of mould because it hasn't been used. This window won't wind up or down, it's come off the track. It needs to be put back on its track. The rest of them work. The central locking works, maybe. That door's still locked, maybe. It did work when it was taken off the road. The stereo works. The air conditioning does not work. It needs regassing. There's no gas in it. But as you can see, it would make a perfect project for someone. It just needs a little bit of elbow grease. It would take very little to get it back on the road. It is, as far as I can tell, everything about the car is roadworthy. And as you can see, it runs, which you would have seen in the last video. So it's not a write-off, guys. It's worth every penny. I mean, hell, it's worth every cent. So now that you can see what a little bit of elbow grease, which I've done for you, will do. There you go, even the thermo fans come on. The car is in pretty damn good condition. Just needs someone to give it that little bit more of attention, and she'll be perfectly fine. So 1993 VR Commodore with a body kit. Yeah, I have the spoiler at the back in the garage. I have the bonnet scoop in the garage. There's no major damage. Well, the only damage is a little dent there, and this little panel here. This little panel here just needs replacing. Maybe get a bit of repair on the bumper. So a little bit of fiberglassing on the bumper will be good too. But there you go. Anyone wants a bloody good car, just spit on it. Looks good.